Here's how to rotate a video on iPhone. So first, let's return back to the home screen. Then tap on Photos, and in Photos, you want to open up a video that you want to rotate. So for example, this one right here. Then tap on the adjustment icon at the bottom. Then tap on Crop. Next, at the top here, there is a rotate button. So you tap on that. This will allow you to rotate the video. So keep tapping on the rotate button and the video will rotate anti-clockwise. So each time you tap on it, it will rotate 90 degrees. And that's it. Rotate until you are happy with the orientation of the video, and then tap on Done. And that is how you can rotate a video on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.